Señor Dad, Señor Dad, Señor Dad, come on. Let's go. Señor Dad, Señor Dad, Señor Dad, Señor Dad, Señor Dad.
Oh, hola amigos! Man, I've been looking around all over the place. There's some sounds that are going around the house. You know, they sound like something I've heard before, but I'm so glad you're here. And now, do you want to help me look for the sounds? We might look with our ears, because it'd be hard to find our sound with our eyes. Can you help me? Okay. So, come with me. Let's figure out where the sounds are coming from. I'll show you when I find them. Come on, come. I think I heard the first sound somewhere around here. It was something like oh, there it is again. Do you hear the sound? Listen. Whoa. Do you know what that sound is? I think I know. It's a maraca. Look at this. A maraca. This is an instrument. A music instrument. You can make music with it. A maraca. You like it? It's so little. I like it. It's got all kinds of nice colors. Let's keep this in mind, okay? We'll put it in our pocket. All right, but that was not the only sound I heard today. Do you want to hear with me? Come on, let's listen a little bit more. Hey! So I heard the other sound around here. Un sonido. That's how we say it in Spanish. Did you know that? Sound in Spanish is sonido. Can you say it with me? Yeah, good try. Good. Sonido. Yeah. So we're looking for this sound, sonido. It's the sound of a... Oh, did you hear that? That's it. Yeah, do you know what that is? It's a dog. Un perro. Can you make the sound of a dog? Yeah, me too. Watch this. Wait, how's that strange? Dog. I mean, nope. Let me try again. Okay, one more time. Here it goes. Ha! That's my perro. Perro! Like this fella here. Hello, Mr. Perro. I like dogs. They're so nice. They can be your best friend. They can be such a loving pet. You can take him out for walks. They love treats. They love jumping and licking and running around. It's awesome. There's all kinds of dogs too. We got fluffy dogs. We got skinny dogs. We got really big dogs. Un perro muy grande. So all kinds of dogs. That's the sound I was hearing. But there were more. Hay más sonidos, more sounds. Come, let's go figure out what the other sonidos, sounds were. Come on, let's go. Whoa. Do you hear all that noise? It's so loud. The sound is coming from outside. It's a lot of noise. Whoa, that makes me shake a little bit. Can you shake with me? It's kind of fun. You do it. Come on. You can do it. Just shake. Oh, anyway, about the sound. Los sonidos, remember? Let's listen. Can you figure out what that sound is? Whoa! What is that? Whoa! It's a truck! a truck. Un camión. In Spanish, we say camión. Look at this truck. It's a construction truck. Yeah, I love this truck. You can load it with all kinds of things. Big rocks or dirt. Maybe chickens, I don't know. And then you drive it around. And then when you get to wherever you want to go, you just dump it, whatever's on your load. I love it. It's a yellow truck. I love this truck. Hey, Mr. Truck. It's like my shirt. A yellow truck. Camión amarillo. I love this truck. Well, now we figure out this sound. There was other sound that I heard. Maybe come with me and see if we can figure out the next sound. Sonido. The next sound. Hey, I think I heard the other sound around here. Yeah. It was a really low sound. Not so high, but pretty low. Yeah. So it sounded something like that. Did you hear that? There it is again. Did you hear it? It's a cow. Una vaca. In Spanish, we say vaca. Can you say vaca? Yeah. Hey, cow. You want to be my friend? Oh. Maybe we should speak vaca to it. Moo. I know. I mean, moo. That's right. It's our friend La Vaca. I love cows. They can be so friendly. I love their spots. They're just so awesome. Do you like it? I like it. Wait, can you make a vaca sound? Can you make a cow sound? Like me? Moo. You try. Moo. Awesome. Adios, vaca. See you later. Hey, that was great. Let's go check. Maybe we can find more sounds. Come, let's keep looking. Whoa! What is this? ¿Qué es eso?
It's a guitar.
A guitar? Una guitarra! But what does it do?
Well, it's an instrument, but it's a musical instrument, so you play songs with it.
I play songs with it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I give it a try?
Mm-hmm. You gotta flip it.
Flip it.
This way, like this. And then put it to the side. Yeah, like.
All right. And you said we could play songs with it.
Mm-hmm.
Should we give it a try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How about we play a song about sounds? Wow. There's so many sounds all around, and you can't find what's all around you by the sound that's all around. So many sounds, so let's take a listen. Es una maraca. Yeah. Maraca. Hey. Gracias, amigo.
You're
There's
welcome.
so many sounds all around, and you can't find what's all around you by the sound that's all around. So many sounds, so let's take a listen. You hear that? It's the dog, el perro. There's so many sounds all around, and you can't find what's all around you by their sound. That's all around, so many sounds. Let's take a listen. That's a truck, un camión. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. There's so many sounds all around, and you can't find what's all around you by the sound. It's all around, so many sounds. So let's take a listen. ¿Qué es eso? What is that? A cow! There's so many sounds all around, and you can't find what's all around you by the sound. So many sounds, so many sounds. So let's take a listen. Amigo!
Hi.
Muchas gracias. Thank you very much.
You're
That was
welcome.
fantastic. There's so many sounds, yeah. That was so much fun. Did you have fun? I loved it. Thank you so much for helping me today. Gracias por tu ayuda. That's thanks for your help in Spanish. I know, it's a big one. Well, do you remember what we heard today? Los sonidos, the sounds. First, we heard la maraca. It was so much fun playing the song with the maraca with my amigo. Do you remember my amigo with the guitar? It was great. We were rocking and rolling. I love la maraca. Thank you for your help today. Then, what else did we hear? That's right, el perro. I love dogs. They make great pets. Remember, there were fluffy dogs and skinny dogs. There's also really big dogs and small little puppies. Oh, they're so cute. Tan bonitos. So cute. I love perros. Do you have a dog? Yeah. I love dogs. And then, do you remember the other sound that we heard? That's right. It was so loud. Whoa, it made the whole place shake. Do you remember we did the shake? El temblor. We wiggled like it shook our body. It's so fun to wiggle. Can you do it with me? Whoa. It was el camión, the truck. The yellow truck like my shirt. And it had the bucket to unload. And you can load it up and drive it around town. I loved it. But it's so loud. I think I want to wiggle one more time. What else did we hear? That's right! Our amigo, la vaca! That was not a vaca. Sorry, vaca. Thank you. I know, but I can try again. It's my friendly cow, la vaca. La vaca knows how to speak Spanish too. Yeah, and after that, we had so much fun playing la guitarra with my amigo with the maracas. I love music. It's the perfect sound for my ears. Do you like music? Yeah! Me too. Well, that was so much fun. And I'm thankful that you came and you helped me to hear all the sounds today. Gracias por tu ayuda. Thanks for your help. Until next time. Adios, amigos.